Hi friends, so this video is for the second grade math group and you guys are going to be working on a sheet called Today's Number, 20 Missing Parts. So it is the same type of exercise that you guys did last week or the week before where it was 12, okay? So 12 missing parts. So now you're doing the 20 missing parts. So there are going to be missing addends. They are all going to equal 20, so you have to look and find the difference of the missing addend. That all equal 20. In your book, it has you working on page 15. So if we were in school, you would have done a survey. And unfortunately, since we're not in school, I can't have you go around and ask everybody how many pockets they're wearing. So what I am going to do is in the comment section of this video, I am going to list everybody's name in our class. And then in another comment, I am going to randomly put numbers. So your job is to write one of your friends' names on a piece of paper and then write one of the numbers that I put down as how many pockets they're wearing. And you're going to do that for all 8 of the friends. So when you're done, you'll have the 8 classmates and then how many pockets they are wearing next to it. Then I would like you to show me, so represent your data by drawing that number of cubes. So if I was in the class and I was a student and I had my name, so Michelle, and then I said I had 4 pockets, I would put the number 4, and then next to that I would draw 4 cubes to represent the data. So I had 4 pockets, 4 cubes. So you're going to do that for all 8 of the friends in class. And then I want you to organize the data. So we're not worrying about the total number of pockets yet in this exercise. We're going to organize the data. So you have to figure out a way to organize the data. And then when you are all done organizing the data, your parents can take a picture and send it to me or post it on the Facebook page. So let's take a peek at page 15 and some of the questions that it's going to ask you in the workbook. So you're going to look at the pocket data from the class, okay? And then you are going to answer the following questions. Number 1, how many people were wearing 4 pockets? So you're going to write down that number, whether it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, however many people are wearing 4 pockets. Number 2 says, what is the most pockets that students had on their clothes today? So what was the greatest number of pockets? And then you are going to write down that number. How many friends had that number? Okay. Number 3, what is the fewest pockets that students had on? So what is the smallest number? And then how many students were wearing that number? Number 4 says, circle which is more, number of people wearing 6 pockets or number of people wearing 7 pockets. You're going to circle one of those. Number 5 says, how many pockets did you have on your own clothes? So you're going to write that number. Number 6 says, how many people in the class had more pockets than you did? So you'll write down that number there. And then 7, how many people in the class had fewer pockets than you? You're going to write that number. And then the last number 8 says, how many people in the class had the same number of pockets you did? And then you'll write that number. So once you're done with this activity, you should have the page in the workbook completed, as well as the representation of your data on a separate piece of paper with all of the classmates' names, how many pockets they're wearing, and a cube tower to show me the data. So have fun.